Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where that green line annotation is coming from. Today the chart had quite a bit of volume, most volume it's had for a while, and I just want to swing back here and touch base with the chart. Like I said, did it on Friday, and really just simplify things, because at this point in time I realize I'm stating the obvious. The bears are really in full control. I mean, it's just been lower lows and lower highs over time. I'll just scrunch this out so you can essentially get the drift, right? I'm not making any sort of just hit. I mean, pretty in your face. Yeah, the bears are in full control. But that does bring up a logical question, and what I want to focus on is, okay, yeah, I'll agree, bears are in full control, but is there any way where we can kind of tell when perhaps the bulls are gaining strength, or looking at it the other way, when maybe the bears are losing some of their strength? And to me, it all revolves around the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And this may seem like I'm really kind of like simplifying things too much, but really it just goes to show why I love charts, because from understanding the quote-unquote story of things, they really do let you simplify things. And that purple line, easiest way to look at that, as long as the price is below that purple line, bears are operating at full strength. Bears are in total control. There's no question about it. Here you can see the price actually got up above the purple line, but just kind of illustrating how powerful that purple line is. Yeah, the price got up above it, but that didn't last too long, and then eventually the price fell right below it. And then you can see, what's happened since then. The price has just continued to roll over. But yeah, you want to see the price get above that purple line. But the second part is, can the price maintain above it? And I'm stumbling because maybe I'm getting a little too far ahead of myself, because right now top priority is just simply getting up above it. And then, once you get up above it, you can start to cross the bridge of, well, now can the price maintain above it? So yeah, as I talk out loud, I'm probably getting a little too far ahead of myself. So right now, the key focus on the chart, and as easy way to, interpret the story, if you will, is just watch that purple line. As long as the price is below it, bulls own the chart in full. But if the price can start to break up above it, that would be the first sign that, hey, you know what, maybe the bulls are starting to gain some momentum, gain some strength. I say that because, yeah, right here, that there is a nice little bounce that started to happen. But you got to look at this from a bigger picture perspective with a very skeptical eye, because sure, it bounced, but as long as the price is below that purple line, you still got to, give full credit to the bears and assume that this is just some sort of dead cat bounce. Who knows? Maybe this is the start of something bigger, but how do you define quote unquote something bigger? Well, the first step in that would be getting up above that purple line. So we'll see what happens with it. Yeah, nice bounce late day today, but still a lot of work to do. And that first big step, getting up above that 50-period simple moving average. So we'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.